So how about it, David? Do Facebook ads work?
Well, yes and no. In this training, we're going to focus on why Facebook ads don't work and what you can do to turn that around. Facebook ads, or some variant including those words, is searched for over 300,000 times per month on Google. Answer the Public shows over 340 different keywords or search phrases which contain those words Facebook ads. Now, some that stood out to me include, do Facebook ads work? Are Facebook ads worth it? And are Facebook ads effective?
Well, for most advertisers, those questions translate into, will my revenue from Facebook ads exceed my ad spend? Or will there be a positive ROI, that is, return on investment? A frank and honest answer is quite often no. We'll take a look at some of the common reasons why in this training.
Stay tuned and we'll be right back.
I'm so glad you could join us for this video training. If you're new to our channel, I'm Dana and this is my husband, David. We're co-founders of DavidnDana.com, bringing effective breakthrough strategies to online marketing solopreneurs looking to boost their home business success. Well, we share videos that will help you on your marketing journey, so be sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of future trainings. So how about it, David? Why don't Facebook ads work?
Okay, well, first, Facebook ads don't work because your objective is unclear. Running ads to a cold audience, calling them to buy your product or service, is a tough game to play. It's often compared to asking a girl to marry you on the first date. Of course, you need to build a relationship before making that big ask.
Well, in the same way, consider that people buy from people they know, they like, they trust. For that reason, we suggest you first build an audience of people interested in what you offer. Next, engage with them and build a relationship. Only then, once you've built a relationship, make your offer.
To have the right objective, think process. Carefully consider where your audience is in the sales process. Then ask, what is the next incremental goal or micro commitment you could ask them to make? What type of ad will connect with people at their current stage and move them on to the next? That will help determine the best objective for your ad.
Well, David interviewed our friend Antonio Thompson, who happens to be a Facebook ad guru. Well, you can watch that video to get some great examples of this process David is talking about.
The second reason Facebook ads don't work is if your audience selection is off. It's often been said that if you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. Message to market match is crucial to receiving any significant response. It's not a matter of who could use your product, but who really feels a compelling need for your product or service right now. We recently ran ads targeted for online marketing solopreneurs. Well, that's the market we speak to. At first, however, we experienced meager results.
Well, then David met with our ad specialist who suggested we segment that audience, since it includes affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches, course creators, service providers, e-commerce store owners, and perhaps more. By running focused ads highlighting the specific needs of each group, it helped us to quickly determine the most responsive segment.
A third reason Facebook ads don't work is if your ad itself needs work. Now, in a sense, Facebook ads are a very simple mix of a headline, an image or video, and some copy. Yet there's a real art to choosing the best images to stop the scroll and get your audience to give your ad a quick glance, then dangling the best hook to really grab their attention, and writing the best copy to move them emotionally to the point of eagerly following your call to action, or CTA.
The fourth reason Facebook ads don't work is because you're following Facebook's suggestions. If you have a Facebook page, Facebook will provide you with suggestions from time to time. For example, Have you ever seen the message, you could get X more views to your amazing content by spending Y to boost your post? That's probably true. You could spend Y and receive X more views.
Now think about that from Facebook's point of view. Boosting that post will ease you into spending money on Facebook ads without having to learn the ad platform first. And it will keep viewers on Facebook and provide them with a positive user experience.
Well, that's 2 wins for Facebook. But will it meet your objectives? Well, that depends on what your objectives may be. Remember our discussion on objectives.
And the 5th reason Facebook ads don't work is you're not patient enough. Now, this is my own favorite pitfall. It's hard to wait and see, especially when you're spending your own hard-earned money. And yet, the Facebook algorithm simply takes time to test out options and learn the best way to meet the objective you've specified. Give it at least 3 to 5 days, if not a week, to arrive at the best solution.
In retrospect, most of these reasons why Facebook ads don't work point to a need to learn online marketing skills in general, and Facebook advertising in particular. Daniel Larson put it rather bluntly. Your choices are simple. Get really good at ads or pay a professional handsomely to do it for you. Choose any other route and you too will think Facebook ads are not worth it.
But you may still be asking, are Facebook ads effective? Well, they certainly can be. You can learn more about paid advertising and other tips and strategies for moving your business along in our signature coaching experience, Your Pathway to Profit. This crucial skill of using paid advertising comes at step 11 in our 12-step profit building system.
And to make sure you haven't left out a single step in your own business, schedule a one-on-one 30-minute breakthrough to profit call with us, and we'll be happy to show you where you are on your own pathway to profit. And before you go, leave us a comment, subscribe, and or share this video with someone you know that is contemplating ads for their business. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video training or investigating where you are on your pathway to profit. Until then, God's blessings to you.